So in this video, you're going to review how do I solve problems by factoring. Okay, so we're reviewing two things, factoring and then solving equations. So the first thing I want to do is factor. So I will use Xbox. So I draw my box and my X. And in the top corner, I write 3x squared. The bottom, I write negative 12. Oops. And then here I write negative 16x. Now I do 3 times 12, which is 36 squared. I need to remember this was negative 12, so this is negative 36. So over here I write 36. Factors 1 and 36. Okay, 2 and 13. Or sorry, not 2 and 13. Oh, it's 2 and 18. 3 and 12. 4 and 9. And 6 and 6. Okay? And since it's 16, I know it has to be these two. Because 18 minus 2 is 16. And so that's there. So now I write 18x. 2x. Now I know 18 is bigger, so I write negative 18. So I say negative 18x, and then 2x. Now let's look at the GCF of the first column. So I get x, GCFF, and then x times what is 3x squared? 3x. What times x is 2x? 2. Now I think what times 3 is negative 18? Oh, that's negative 6. Since this number is bigger than 1, I want to say, does 2 times negative 6 equal negative 12? It does. Great. So now I say x minus 6 equals 3x plus 2. Okay, and so this was y equals. Okay, this was also set to 0. Okay, so here's the same thing. I'm setting this to 0. I'm replacing that y with 0 as I did up here. Okay. Now I want to figure out when will either the blue or the green one equal 0. What x values? Okay. So I know that x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals 6 because I added 6 to both sides. Now I want to do the other. So I say other side, 3x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, subtract 2 from both sides. So I get 3x equals negative 2. Divide both sides by 3. Okay, and so I get x equals negative 2/3. Okay, and remember, I am not done until I get these two x values. Okay, so when factoring, I should get two x values generally.